Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to recover your deleted Instagram Reels. So let's get started right now. So you wanna open your Instagram account, of course. So after that, you wanna click your profile picture at the very bottom right. And now I am going to delete an Instagram Reel here. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to click at the three little dots at the very bottom right here, and then I'm going to click delete and then delete. So if you want to get back your Instagram Reels, you want to click at the three lines at the very bottom right here, and then click your activity, the second option, click your activity, and then you want to scroll down a little bit and then click recently deleted here. As you can see here, just click recently deleted, and as you can see here guys, we can get back our reel by clicking the reel and and then click at the three little dots at the very bottom right, and then click restore. This is the first option, just click restore and then click restore again, and now we got our reels back. Now you can see it back. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. I only have 10 subscribers now. Please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.